Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to screen record on an iPhone. So this should work for most iPhones, unless it's like a really old version, but if it's anywhere near the new version, then I'll show you guys exactly how to screen record on your iPhone today. As you can see, I'm screen recording right now, so you can trust me on this topic. But first things first, to actually start screen recording, you're going to have to go to your settings. So if you go to your settings, then you're going to want to look for Control Center. So you can search it in the search bar at the top of your settings page, or you can just look through it by scrolling through all these options. But you want to look for the Control Center option. So like I said before, you can search for it, or you can just scroll through all your options. As you can see, it's right here. So once you find it, just click on it. You'll be brought to this page here. On this page, it should say Control Center at the top, and you can see all these options here, like flashlight, clock, picture, and as you can see, I have screen recording in this top option right here. You have to add it to the top option, so you want to scroll down and look for screen recording in all these options right here, and look for the green plus button icon right next to screen recording. Once you find it, click on the plus icon, and it should add it to up here. So if you scroll up, you should be able to find it with a negative sign right next to it. Now, once you do that, if you go back to your home screen, swipe down in the top right corner of your screen, or swipe up if you're on an older version, and there should be a recording button showing up here. So if you swipe down, and there should be a button, as you can see, I'm recording right now, so it shows a red flashing button, but it should just be a red button right there. And if you click on it, then you'll be able to start recording. So you just click on it and it'll start recording, and then if you want to turn on your microphone while you're screen recording, you can hold down on the screen recording option. It'll bring you to this page here, and here you can turn on the microphone on or off while you're recording. So that is how you screen record on a iPhone. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.